Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's TheFatRat here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm back in scratch with our tutorial from last video. So in last video we made this tank. It's pretty much very simple. We made this tank and we can play this game. I can move with the WASD keys and I can shoot with the E key. Now, if I hold it, then it'll be easier. I can just spam it, I think. No, I can't spam, because this is all weight. So, before this video starts, make sure to go down, hit the like button, subscribe, tap on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new content from TheFatRat. And I guess everything's done, so let's just get into today's video. So, what I taught for this episode, tutorial part 2, was that I would add the second tank to make it multiplayer. So I think I'll use the arrow keys for the second tank. I think I'll make it like a red one. I don't need them. I think I'll make a red tank and a red bullet, so it differentiates. I didn't get what I just said, so I'll just say it again. For this video, I'm just gonna make another tank, and I'll make it so when you hit each other, you stop. And I think in this next episode, I'll add a game over screen off camera. I don't know if I'll add a start screen in the next episode. After I stop this video, I'll off camera add a game over screen. Then I think in the next video I'll add walls so you can hide behind them. So that would be cool. So now let's make the first one. I'm just gonna duplicate them. So I'll name this. Yeah, I'll just let it be bullet 2. Bullet 2. I'm just gonna put a space there. And this is gonna be tank 2. Now I'm just gonna go to costumes. Let's zoom in and get that. And oh my god, okay. That's done. Now I just need this to be red. Okay. So the costumes are done. So now the problem is oh no. Oh no. I think I mixed up. I messed up. I messed up real bad. Oh yeah. The thing you have to be sure is go to bullet and go to tank 2, which is this one, red tank for me. And you're also tank 2. And I guess that's all. So now if you try shoots, boredom shoot. I can hit myself, I guess. That's me right now. So now I'll make it so they have different controls, but that's really simple. Up arrow, down arrow, that's left, and that's right. Someone's texting me. Yeah, someone was texting me. Sorry to interrupting. Hahaha. I don't know what I just said. I'm getting really confused right now. So I made. I don't think the arrow keys are gonna be a good key. No, I'm gonna use IGKL. I guess that was what I used in my other game. Prototype. I is up, K is down, and J is left. L is right. L. So this should make it so I can move independently. And I'm using IGKL because that's the same level with WASD, and I'm used to it. I can do two-handed. I'm really used to it. My hands are used to it. I can do it without looking. Okay. It's getting a little bit on me, but still the shoot key is the same, so I'm gonna change it for this. This E warrior, I think I'll make a U for this one. I think I'll make it like symmetrical type. U, come on, U. Okay, good. So this has been like a short video or so. It's very short, so I won't make it too short. And it's like, I think I'm like making small parts and making lots of videos. I don't know, I might make. Wait, I remember. Look at this. When you go into each, you like go past through each other. So I think I'll make that a little bit of fixer. I'll give that a little bit of fixer. I'll make it so you cannot touch it. I mean, if you like go backwards and touch it, it might just yeet you off the other side, but it might yeet you off the other side. But if you go like front, it'll stop you there. It'll stop you there. And also, if you like go through the back, nothing happened to you, but that red tank's gonna get yeeted off. That's one problem I couldn't fix, so I'm gonna need a little bit of help. So when you go to tank, and for wait, so why is he texting so much? I'm recording. Okay, you better stop. So now I'm just gonna have to make this. If I'm gonna put it there, I'll explain this for me. If touching tank, it's pretty simple for now. Touching tank, move -1. I want to see how that goes. It goes back really slow. I can like get through him by that time. So I'm gonna make it 5, so that might make it a bit stronger. I can't do anything. I can't go. Look, I can't go. I'm stuck. But if I turn it back, oh my god, it's a loop-de-loop. Can I get out of here, please? Oh my, I'm stuck. Am I stuck? Okay, thank god. Now if I go like this, wait, it didn't work. What? Why is my aim getting so bad? It's gonna yeet me over. That's one problem I couldn't fix. Why is it doing that? Okay. So I think I'll just duplicate that. Put that there. Now if I have to, holy crap. Oh, I have to change that. I'm like, what the WTF? Now I can't come from, okay. Thank you. I can't move because I'm like in the corner and I'm really, oh, I have tried this before. Yeetsu. Pew 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 pew. Now what this basically does is fire checks if it's touching the other sprite. For instance, here the blue tank, if it's touching this red tank, and if it is, it's gonna go back 5 steps. Now other side, I don't know how to do that on the other side, so I think I'll just stick to this here. Maybe I could do this like this. If it's touching, then go to yourself. Why didn't it show itself? It doesn't show itself. That's odd. Why is it not showing itself? Okay, that's funny. How can I do this? Can I like freeze it? I forgot to freeze it in time. I guess it will be in sensing or so. Motion. I guess I'll keep it like this. If I find a solution, I'll tell you guys. So now you can't just go through each other. So now we want it. If it's touching you, then the game stops. Now we can have like lives, but I won't do that right now. So for a blue blade, if touch red, if touching red, if touching edge, I'm just gonna duplicate that. If touching edge or tank 2, put that there. Delete this clone. Wait. This is not how you do this. This now. Touching edge, delete this clone. I'll add another thing. If touching tank 2, stop it. And this one, I'm just gonna clone that, duplicate. And I guess that's all. So if you check, if I shoot, it stops. The game fully stops. Wait, I can just like I can move. Then it aims at me, and I get. Wait, what? It suddenly stopped. Look, suddenly stopping. Oh! I put it on myself. So if I was moving around, if somebody shoots me, I'm dead. It's game over. So I guess that's all for today's tutorial part 2. So before you go, make sure to go down, hit the like button, subscribe, tap on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new content from TheFatRat. And I'll see you next time.